Stark Future, a Spanish motor vehicle manufacturer with Swedish roots, launched in 2020, began sales and production in 2023, and reported in 2024 that it expected to eventually reach an annual revenue of more than $93 million. However, Stark's latest development did not involve the electric Stark Varg, the company's flagship electric motocross bike. Instead, Stark revealed the Klinga Sabre, a sword manufactured with 3D printed titanium. Brand communications director Benjamin Cobb told IEN that the Klinga Sabre's design process involved blending 3D printing technology, the form language of the Stark Varg, and a sculpture of a moose, which functions as a bottle opener. The nearly 2-foot 10-ounce sword features a mirror-polished blade and a sandblasted handle. Stark chose titanium for its strength, lightweight, and corrosion resistance, and the project served as a learning experience for mass-producing 3D printed titanium parts for the company's future vehicles. Stark used a large format metal 3D printing system from machinery manufacturer Farsoon Technologies to make the sword. According to Cobb, Stark printed 188 units in one build over 248 hours, averaging less than 80 minutes per saber. Production challenges included refining the sandblasting of the handle, perfecting the mirror polish process for the blade, and ensuring consistency across all units while keeping post-processing time to a minimum. Stark only made 1,000 Klinga Sabres, with each numbered 1 to 1,000. The company hosted an auction on its website where interested buyers could bid on a specific numbered saber they felt symbolized a significant milestone. The website currently prices the remaining blades at $350. Cobb described the project as a, quote, highly cost-intensive endeavor, but did not disclose specific financial details. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.